Hello guys, my name is Vesh. Today I will show you how I made this web app. Web app code is COVID-19 X-ray image classification. This is a data science project. As you can see, this is our interface. So first we have to feed the image of the normal. Let's find out how this web app works. So first we have to give the image COVID-1. First I will choose the COVID image, then now you can see this is our COVID image. This is our COVID image. So let's take this image. So our web app is work fine. As you can see, the COVID-19. They find out the COVID-19. Now check the normal one X-ray image now. So let's give the normal image. So as you can see, this is my normal X-ray image. Normal X-rays look like this. Now test of a model. So this is the normal no COVID sign. This is the X-ray. This X-ray image is normal. As you can see, our model is work fine. So today I show you how I made this level. First, now get started. Step. The first step is the download the data set. So this link you can in this link. Okay, I put the link in description. You can download the dataset from there. So COVID dataset. Now second step is import necessary library. This is a basic step. So so NumPy, Panda, Kira, Layer, Kira, and Google images. This is our libraries. So build the model. So second step is where you can download the files. First, you have to locate and give the path of the folder. Now, understand you have to give the path of the folder. Now, my data set is in this folder. Z project data set, COVID data set, train and test with well kit and train kit. First and second, model SQL. I hope you know what is model SQL and SQL work, how the CNN works. If you don't know about anything, first we have to go YouTube and learn what is CNN, how this works, and at all. If you are a beginner, you have to clear your concept. Either way, you are stuck in this whole code and stuff. So, third step. The third step, first layer. We have to add a layer, con with a layer, con with 2D layer, 32 neurons. I hope you know 32 neurons and kernel size activation is a ReLU is the image class best activations. So input size we have to give 222, 222, 3 and count to 64. Now second layer we give the 64 neurons. Activation we do same as third layer 128 neurons we have to do because we have our model is the best model. Predict the work fine and prediction accuracy is fine. So first third dense layer. The model dot add flatten layer and dense layer is the same. I hope you know all about this. But if you don't know, just go to YouTube, search how CNN and activation ReLU and Sigmoid works. So now, so model compile use Keras loss binary cross entropy optimizer. Our optimizer is Adam. And I hope you know Adam and matrix is accuracy. Now we have to show our model summary. Our model summary is this. This show you how many parameters used in this model. So now we have to pre-process our data set. Right? Now we have to the first step data step. so train data gen image data generator. First we have to rescale the images. Guys, we have to rescale images. I hope you know this how all this work. If you don't know, you stuck in this code. So guys, I hope you know. So shear range is 0.2 is the best number and zoom rate 0.5 and horizontal flip is 2 for a train data chain and cache data chain is a validation data set. image data generation, rescale. We only get a rescale size, rescale our image. We have to do only rescale, guys. Third, the train data gen, we have to give the directory of the data set. We have to give the directory where our data set store file. So machine learning, Z folder, COVID-19 dataset train. So I give the folder location. Second, target size 200, 224, 200, batch size 32, class mode binary. I hope you know all this, guys. I hope you know. If you don't know anything, just go and search. So found 22. They found 22 in 224 images belong to two classes. Two classes belong, and the classes is COVID-19 only at normal ones. The same process validation generator. We give the folder location, the validation data set. Target size is 224, same batch size binary, and found 60 images belong to classes. So as you can see, COVID one and normal one. Now the last crucial steps, the model. We have to fit the model. I hope you know what the dot fit function works with. I train generator value. We have to give data set, train and validation data set, and epoxy is 20 slides. This will take 10 to 15 minutes to load and to learn the data set. So as you can see, our accuracy is 0.92. This is a good accuracy in the data science machine learning project. This is the best accuracy you got. So if you increase the epochs, you increase the accuracy. Maybe you increase the accuracy. Sometimes increase accuracy. So modeler evaluate the generated evaluate then this. Now we have to Now we have to check our model work fine or not. So how we check? We made a function. I gave this function an image. Then this function predict this is a normal or COVID one. So how I made? Just just listen. Test. First you have to test load the image. How I load the image? Image dot load img. I'll give the one image, normal image. My image is normal X-ray image value. As you can see, JPG format. This is the folder user wish model download normal X-ray image guys. Target size 222. Same. We have to convert our image to arrays. As you can see, image to arrays and expand the things. And now the model dot predict. How the model? I hope you know what is the model dot predict. So if our model predict the one is a normal, either is a COVID. How this Python works? So our model predicts the normal. Our model work fine, guys. My model work fine, as you can see before. So the third step, you save the model. First, you have to save first, last model dot save. You have saved the model, and then next step, again we open VS Code. I am in my VS Code. So in this VS Code, I will show you how I create front end of this web app. So first of all, we have to import necessary libraries. First library is Streamlit. If you don't know anything about Streamlit, just search YouTube what is Streamlit and how it is used. So basically, Streamlit is a framework we use. We don't use HTML, CSS at all. We use only Streamlit. Streamlit is a framework mostly for data science projects. So in this data science project, I use Streamlit. So we have to first set the title, tell web app title, COVID-19 chest X-ray classification. Second, we made upload button. How I upload button? This st.file uploader, file label, choose X-ray, the name, and second type. What type of image you have to allow? First PNG and JPG I return. Second model load. I model you have to load the model. Earlier you save Jupyter Notebook, CNN model.h5. I show you how I save the model. Now I load this model like this. Second, if upload file is not none, this function like this. If upload file is not none, then this code work. Else, this code shows us the error. Please enter image like this. Please enter the image. So the last part is how to deploy this web app. When you create front end of this website, look like this. Now last step, how to deploy on website like this link. So first of all, you have to create GitHub repository and give the file like I do cn.1 h5 file COVID-19 png readme app.py main.py and requirement.txt. The main file is requirement.txt. Don't forget requirements. Streamlit use requirement.txt for install dependencies. Right TensorFlow, Keras, NumPy, Streamlits. Then we have to go this website share.streamlit.io. You have to create the create the account in this website for deploy the website for deploy your web app. Second, when you see this interface, click a new app, then give repository name, give repository URL like I do, accessible image. Then give the app name, app.name, file. Then click and then deploy boom. You have to wait 3 or 5 minutes. Then boom, your web app is ready to go. This wonderful web app. So that is guys. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.